It's recording.
Y'all hear me good?
Yeah.
Okay. I just got a simple question. I was trying to do something, especially with you graduating. I thought this would be a perfect gift, but I wanted to do something with all of y'all. So I was just wondering if you would like to take a trip with Daddy. Would you like it? Okay. Would you like to know where? I just thought maybe you would enjoy it as much as I would if you would like to go see, I don't know, say, Kiss? Kiss and Def Leppard? You want to go to a concert? I mean, if you don't want to go, I'll have to find somebody else, you know. We're good. Yeah, I just picked them up today. One for Matthew, one for Nikki, one for Tyson, one for Dylan, one for Daddy.
Matthew's speechless.
I was afraid they'd be sold out by the time I got money saved up to get them. But it just so happened I was able to get 5 together. So.
When is it?
July 15th. It's on a Tuesday.
So don't make plans.
Yeah, so don't make plans. Yeah, he's in the background. He's dancing. Somebody's excited. Yeah, I think it was Tyson.
Dad?
Yes? Speak, Ubu.
Dylan, okay, answer this one question. Would you rather go to baseball practice or go and take a trip with Dad?
So, does he not want to go?
No, he thinks he might have baseball practice that day.
Oh.
So she's going to talk to his coach.
Well, let me skip it for once.
Dad, I'm not stealing your hat anymore.
Yeah, I see that. But mine's getting kind of stretched, so I'm going to have to steal yours.
Hey, mine's visual camo. Look, take a peek look.
He says he got a camo.
I can't see, it's camouflage.
It's visual camo. Hey, you can see it. It's camouflage. Exactly.
I think they're excited.
We need to get him a PS3 so he can game with us. Yeah, we play.
Yeah.
Read the back of my shirt.
If you can read this t-shirt,
Thank a teacher.
thank a teacher.
Let me read it to you.
Okay, read it.
If you can read this t-shirt, thank a teacher. If you're reading this in English, thank our military.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. I like it. Nice one. High five.
Okay, here you go.
You are not stealing my hat.
We'll leave you alone to your boys.
And Mommy's
Bye, guys. Bye. Love you. Well, they can't see you, Mom. Hold on, wait. Let me move. Say, bye. We love you.
Y'all are waving like over
Oh,
there. You need
okay.
to wave in front of the camera.
Bye. I didn't know where the camera was. I didn't wave it.